In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Now you need to have this boot app installed, right? If you want to transfer your Solana from your Binance to your Phantom Wallet, what you need to do, just head over to your Phantom Wallet, right? You're going to see this, right? Click on that receive option. I don't want to click on it because my wallet details is going to show, right? So but click on it. If you click on it, you're going to see Solana address, right? Copy it, go to your Binance. This is your Binance, right? If you have some Sol in Binance, right? So click on it. You're going to see withdraw. Click on withdraw. So paste that wallet address here, right? Paste it inside this place. Just paste it here. So you're going to select network. Let it be Sol, right? Let it be Solana. Then if you have like 10 Sol on your Binance or 20 Sol, just click on the max if you want to withdraw all of them. So yeah, it's going to go through once you have pasted the wallet address, selected the right network, right? Then with the exact amount, then you're going to click on this withdraw, right? I cannot click it because I don't have any Sol right now. So if you click on the withdraw, I think you're going to verify your transaction with email and authenticator, right? Once you're done, it's going to come up here. It's going to show you Binance, right? So this is basically how you can transfer Solana from your Binance to Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, share that below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.